Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a laptop or computer mock-up with a video of the website or whatever you want to showcase with it actually scrolling through. So we are going to be using Canva to do this, and I wanted to show you how I do it. Really easy, really fast. You don't need any special software like Photoshop or anything like that. I was gonna just do an image, and then I realized that it would look a lot better with just a video. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to delete my image there, and all I did was search Canva for a laptop mock-up. I have the pro version of Canva, and I will put a link in the description for you to try the pro version out free. I think it is a 30-day trial. So you can try the pro version for free and see all of the bells and whistles that Canva has to offer. One of those things that they have on the pro version is all of these really great stock photos that you can use for free. There are so many, and they're really great. Of course, there's going to be like some cheesy ones, but a lot of them actually are really nice and usable. So I chose this one here that kind of matches my aesthetic a bit, and all I did was put in a placeholder for a piece of content, a video or a photo. So all you have to do there is go down to the elements, and I just chose the grid, and I sized it up perfectly to match inside of this little computer. Now if you look very closely, it's not perfect. It's a tiny bit skewed on this side, just the way that the image is, but I'm really okay with it. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. So once you have your image ready, I like to also lock the background. So once I put in the background image, I came up here to the top right and just hit the lock. So that way, if I click it or do anything, it's not going to move on me. It's going to stay right where it is. So now we have our Canva ready. I'm going to actually pull up the website that I want to put inside of my mock-up. This is a client website that I just finished, so I'm going to go ahead and pull up my screen recorder, which I'm using right now, and I'm gonna just go ahead and film this whole entire scroll through, so then I can go ahead and place this inside of my Canva. Okay, so I filmed my screen and I have the video here. So all I need to do is go ahead and upload it. Just drag it in there. And you will see it upload. And once it's ready, all you need to do is take the image and pull it into where we had already set. And it's going to do the scroll for you. And that is all there is to it. It's very easy. It's a really great way of showcasing any of your design work if you are a web designer like myself, or a graphic designer, or if you want to showcase anything that has movement to it that's not just like a static page. So once you're done with this, all you would do is click download. You can download as a video, or you can also download it as a GIF. So if we download as a GIF, it's going to actually just play automatically, which is really great, and would be really great for something like Facebook or Instagram. This is made for Instagram and where I'm planning to share it, but you can go ahead and use a GIF in places like your email, like I said, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. You can really use GIFs on your website as well to just do like an automatic play. They're a great option if you don't need any sound playing at all. Okay, so that is done. So when we come to our downloads and we see our GIF, it's going to scroll for us here and be all ready, and that is the final product. And I do like the GIF too because it will just loop over and over, so wherever it is, it'll just keep going. But there you have it. That is how you can create a mock-up and add video.